Good boy.
To look where you're going. I wasn't moving, Major. You ran into me, so they wanted to look where I'm going. These hawks are the prone accidentals. They can't do anything right. You didn't look too clumsy. We're only doing what you do, Frank, if you had time. Vision has really been bridged today. Word of mouth. You do good work. One wounded man's helping another. We always free ammunition hasn't made business either. Casualties were greater than headquarters anticipated. Beats me how the experts can generally tell to a man how many wounded. If they're so smart, why don't they find a way to put a stop to this nonsense? I can hear every word you're saying, Doc.